Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear recent products on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now you will find it on account actions, and now here you will find clear recent products. Click on it and click OK, and it will be cleared. That's how to clear recent products, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.